I do believe, however, that the issue of the relationships in the kingdom, the charter of the kingdom, and the whole matter of equality vis-a-vis autonomy, that these matters deserve urgent attention by the powers that be today, so the governments and the parliaments of the kingdom. And we can't continue, to criticize the relationship without making a firm agreement that we want to do something about it. We have not had the opportunity to sit together, especially as Caribbean islands and territories, and decide on a way forward. While in 1954, the charter might have been a good and clear document, whether you agreed with the content or not. Fact is that today in the kingdom, there are a lot of unclarities in the charter, and it depends on how the Dutch/the kingdom government looks at the interpretation. So when it comes to Rijkswetten, for example, we cannot vote. That's one of the issues, democratisch deficit, etc. We cannot vote as other countries, but it should not be so that if we are against a particular issue because it affects our islands, that then the second and first chamber would still go ahead and approve such a law. And you're seeing that happening more and more. De consensus kingdom law, dat is een beetje van een compleet andere kleur. En dus het gaat om de implementatie en uitvoering van verschillende aspecten van het statuut. En daar wringt het. Je hebt bijvoorbeeld de waarborgfunctie. Je hebt gevraagd over de equality, de gelijkheid, etc. Je hebt bijvoorbeeld de waarborgfunctie. En dat wordt te pas en te onpas gebruikt.